This transmission filter was removed from a 2006 Chevy Uplander with 202,000 miles. I cut it in half and opened it up for failure mode analysis. This filter element acts like a pouch to trap debris from the fluid before it returns to the transmission. In this case, there's quite a few shiny metal particles, lots of darker material, which is from the clutches, and there's even some copper bits, some that are quite large. This transmission was making a grinding noise and it was slipping, and with all this debris, that's the reason why. Pretty cool what you can learn when you open things up and look inside. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.